Okay, let's get to the next. So what is SQL? SQL is structured query language. Some structure is there, right? There will be some structure, some specific structure, and it's a scripting language to access databases. It's a proper script, guys. When we are saying scripting language, what does that mean? So what is programming languages? Programming languages are,
Coding.
yeah,
It's a coding language.
yeah. So where we are coding, where we are creating functions, classes, object-oriented programming, even Python comes under scripting language because it's kind of we are writing a script, right? For I in this, if I in.
Right.
So we are writing a script. We are writing our simple English language to a script with some keywords. That's what we are doing over there. But when it comes to C, C++, low-level programming languages, it's not like that. That's going to, they are way more advanced. They have way more learning curve. You have to define each and every variable, and they are proper programming languages. Okay. Nowadays, JavaScript, Python, SQL, they come under more like scripting. Just that Python has more uh, advanced concepts like oops and function and creating functions. So it also comes under programming language, Python. So why are we calling it scripting a language? It's a very high level language. First of all, scripting, it's easy to learn. Okay. Let's understand how it's easy to learn. Okay. Let's say I have a database. I have a database. This is again a student database. I'm just writing ST guys over here. This roll number, I'll say RN, then this is name. Let's say marks 1 and marks 2. Okay. Marks 1 is of maths. Marks 1 is of maths. And marks 2 is of science. Okay, so this is the one. Now please listen to my question carefully. I'm asking to one of you, give me the names of the students, give me the roll number and names of the students who got marks above 90 in maths. Okay, give me the names of the students, okay, let's rephrase it. Select the name of the students where marks of that student is greater than in maths is greater than 90. Okay, this is my question. Select the name of the student where
Okay.
maths marks is greater than 90. That's a simple question. Let's,
Right.
let's write a SQL script. Okay, let's write a SQL script, and that will be a legit SQL script. What I'll be writing right now. Okay, that will actually scrap those students' names. Okay, so let's write a SQL script. Select is a keyword in SQL. Select what we needs to select, what we need as an output. Name, right? Name and roll number. Let's take both of them. Select name and roll number from. Okay, from is again a keyword of SQL. Select name and roll number from what table is it? Student, ST. The table name is student, ST. Then what is the condition, guys? What is the condition? Condition is where maths marks,
Greater than 90.
where, so where where maths is M1, right? Maths marks is greater than 90. That's it, guys. It's a legit SQL script, and it will actually return you the names and roll numbers of the students from ST table. Let's say it has 1000 or 2000 data points. It will return name and roll number of those students who got marks greater than 90. Isn't isn't it like we are writing a simple English, just that using some SQL keywords? It is, right? We are writing a script only, right, guys? Okay, so see, guys, this is what SQL is actually.